Hi guys, good afternoon to everyone. Now is August 5, 2024, Monday. As you can see guys, andito ako ngayon sa dirty kitchen namin. Magluluto ako ng egg. Ulam ko sa tanghali. Yan. Guys, ang gagamitin natin ay yung induction namin. Mga 3 weeks pa lang to sa amin. Ang ganda talaga ng quality guys. Tapos ang kuryente niya ay 2,200 watts. Pwede mong i-adjust up to below. Yan. I-on natin guys ha. On. I-stop lang natin guys. May barbecue, may fry, may timer. I-on natin. I-stop natin. Yan. Tapos i-press natin ng single. Single Stop, timer, fry, barbecue. Single, Yan, umiinit na guys. 1,100 watts guys, 1,100 watts, Yan. Yan guys, lalagay natin guys ha. Yan. Magluluto na tayo ng egg guys. Tapos yung ito guys Yan. Ang mura-mura lang guys. Tapos ang tibay-tibay pa. Ang ganda-ganda pa. Ito pa guys Yan Yan. Guys, pag interesado kayo dito guys, what are you waiting for guys? Just without further ado, just click my link guys, at doon nyo makikita kung anong brand ang ginagamit namin, kung ilang watts siya, at kung magkano ang price niya. Pero ang price niya guys, lilinawin ko lang ha, nagdidepende ang price kung gaano kalaki ang gusto mong bilhin. So guys, all I can see guys, very lucrative talaga tong mga products na to. Kapaki-pakinabang talaga to sila. Believe me or not guys. Can't you see guys ang dali-dali lang magluto. Yan. Ang dali-dali lang guys. Believe me or not guys, what you see is what you get, nothing more, nothing less. And to cut the long story short guys, just click my link guys. And I think for this time guys, hanggang dito muna lang tayo. At sa lahat ng mga friends ko, sa lahat ng mga followers ko, thank you so much and take care always. And God bless. Bye bye. Good afternoon. That's all.